I recently joined this week DocuSign as VP of Go-to-Market Operations. Prior to that, I was heading up planning strategy, go-to-market planning and strategy at Cloudflare. It's a very interesting journey. I got to Cloudflare and we were in the last final stages of implementing our annual planning, and 4 weeks before, we as a company had chosen a really large enterprise software for planning, and it wasn't working well. And I came in, there was a lot of chaos, and we had to decide to not go with that tool and go back to spreadsheets, which led us to doing a full evaluation. And I did an evaluation of 4 different products. Fullcast was introduced to me through a sales manager who met with Fullcast team, and we evaluated it, not thinking much about it. And it turned out to be very logical, and it spoke to me and my team from a RevOps perspective. It connected with us because RevOps folks live in spreadsheets and they're very logical people. And Fullcast was just exactly the product. We loved it primarily because it was nimble. We could implement it ourselves, and it was very competitive. It provided us with the right functionality, and it has been a great partnership. So it was a full circle, full implementation. We went live with it as part of last year's planning, and we use it for territory planning. We are also using it for quota. We're now starting to look at the capacity model. It's very exciting as a RevOps leader. You know, one of my main focuses is productivity, is sales productivity. And when I was looking at Atrium, I can see the synergies and what it can bring to a lot of the data that's already there in the plan to pay, and then building on top of it the AI and reporting would be phenomenal. You can always do planning without Fullcast, but it would be really painful to do, and it has given us the real sort of matured structure of territory planning and sort of quota, and scaled us. So it'd be really hard to do it without Fullcast. It is about having the right balanced territories, and then assigning quotas to the territories. So really sort of the measurement is, are we able to carve out the right territories and then look back and say whether we made our plan based on this territory that we've carved, as well as do the reps have the ability to hit their quota, because their balanced territory and connection with quota is the secret sauce for the reps to be successful, and hence the company to be successful. I'm just really excited about Fullcast, not only from a product perspective, but it was a phenomenal teamwork because the team was really behind us, and we were not sure. It was a young startup, and Cloudflare is a high growth company, but they've been true partners. Every person I've worked with at Fullcast has been genuine and phenomenal, which is so critical when you're adopting a product like this.